2, 1, go!
All right, as we kick things off, we see Technova placing that sample in the high basket. BHS Robo Rangers doing the same, now picking up one extra. Meanwhile, Gear Rotations and Phoenix, they've built a bunch of red samples into that observation zone, now picking up and making those specimens basically cycle for cycle over there. 2 from both, now about to be 3 from Phoenix. The Gear Rotations just missed one. Technova going for those cycles. They've picked one up in their robot. Let's see if they can score it. They do. That's going to be 6 samples up there, and that's the end of our autonomous series.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, as we begin, we see a narrow 15-point lead for that Blue Alliance, 182 to 167. Still very much anybody's match. We'll see what Gear Rotations and Technova can do to keep this up. We see Phoenix coming over to the blue side of that field. Ooh, taking a big hit from Technova. Something popping out of the robot. We'll see if that was critical. 198 to 183, a minute 40 left in the match. Technova trying to cycle, not much motion from them over there. Meanwhile, Gear Rotations picking up blue sample after blue sample to try and make those. Looks like Technova is having a little trouble intaking, not sure quite what fell off. Maybe that bottom roller or something. We heard some noise over here. 1 minute and 20 seconds, 198 to 207. The Red Alliance now pulling ahead thanks to those fast sample cycles from BHS Robo Rangers. 215 to 198, 1 minute and 12 seconds left in this match. We're going to see if Gear Rotations can make a difference with all of these specimens that they've collected. All right. Looks like we're going to see BHS Robo Rangers picking up another yellow sample. They're going to score it in that high basket. Meanwhile, Phoenix starting to build these specimens and score them cycle after cycle. 198 to 241, 47 seconds left in this match. Technova not moving around too much. They're going to just come sit in the corner and park. 40 seconds left, 198 to 269. Lots of shouting. 279 to 198. This is going to be a commanding lead for the Red Alliance. Now 287 to 198. 30 seconds left. We'll see which of these teams go for that hang. Phoenix getting another cycle specimen up over there. Technova lifting their lead screws and linear rails up there. Let's see if they can get those blue hooks on for that level 2 hang. They're starting to come up, not moving too much, but Gear Rotations meanwhile doing more specimen cycles. BHS Robo Rangers not stopping on that high basket. 10 seconds left in this match. We're going to see if any of these teams start to go for that hang. 5 seconds left. Looks like Gear Rotations coming over. They're going to try to do a level 2. They do get that, as does BHS. It's going to be close.